Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ryan. In today's video, I built a precast arch. Here is the precast arch. If you're new here, please subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Let's jump right into the video.
So what I'm doing, I'm cutting the precast to protect it from fall down. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut here. And then we're gonna cut here and insert a brick pipes. You see how we're gonna do that? This is the purpose of why I put the brick tie on the top. It helps you secure it. It's always important to put a brick tie on top. Cut out the top, put a brick tie like so. It will help you to prevent it from falling. Guys, what we're doing here now, we're making sure things not twist, pop in your head, that is it. Make sure all the line, all of this stuff is roll pipe. So you want to slightly take it away from the stone, maybe like 1/8 of an inch off of the stone, say 1/8 off. Guys, here's another option that you could use a grout bag as well. This side we use a slicker. We use a slicker to fill the side. So over there we're going to use a grout bag. You see the difference? And which one will work more faster for you?
so. Then you spin it, you ring it around, and then you squeeze. While you squeeze, it will come through. You see. So now, guys, we're gonna prepare for our keystone. Now I'm going to show you guys how I set it up for a keystone. First thing what we want to do now, we want to get our center for our window. We're going to measure the width of our window. See how wide it is. Our window is 6 feet. 6 feet, so we want to mark 3 feet here. 3 feet, this is right here. And then we got to plumb this up. That's going to be our center. We want to plumb it up like this. So this is where we want to plumb it up on the mark like that. So that's our center of our window. So now we want to get the center of our keystone. 4.5, so we need to get 2.25. So mark 2.25 for the center. Let's transfer this 2.25 to the back. Put it right on our mark. Like so, and then you use it to catch our level. Once you catch our level, we want to mark. When you mark on the wall, where the stone is going to fall. Basically, this line that I'm putting here is going to be the line for your joint. So this is where we're going to come. We're going to take this one out. We're going to come with our stone right here. And afterwards, when we put our keystone, this is going to be the joint. So maybe like 10 mil joint. So guys, we want to cut the top of our keystone just like so. So we're going to put a brick tie here and we're going to bend it, so that we can nail it into the stud, in the pillar. Just here, and something like out here, and then you go down maybe like into the top. That way we can put our brick tie. Here we have some space. We have like 1/8 of a space. We want to leave the same 1/8 right around. That way later on, if you want to give it a smaller version, if you want to remove the window, we just want to put a brick on it. At the same space that we have here. Just make sure we plumb here 100%. Have it. If you want to see the next part where I cut around the arches, the stone, tune into the next part of this arch. Don't forget to subscribe, like. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.